Hello once again, guys. We're back at the gym. Today, probably gonna do a really quick one routine because the gym was so busy already, so I have to wait this area to be clear. So we're here at the fitness coaching area. This routine is much harder, so I'm gonna try as much as I can. I didn't do this for a bit. That's a hard one, guys. Yeah, this is the only place available right now. I was surprised. It was Friday. It was crazy here at the gym. Yeah, the group area exercise, the basketball. So now got clear up a bit. Okay, gonna do last one, and that's it for today. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.